Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave. Hope you guys are doing well. I have some interesting news to share with you. I am going to be moving, and I lived in my house for 12 years and built my Stampin' Up! Business up over 12 years. So you know what that means? I've got a lot of stuff. And so, as my husband says, I should have an overstock crazy sale. So I'm doing my boxes, my grab boxes again. So I'm going to take, and I have two types of grab boxes. I have accessories, which are all consumable items, and then I also have stamp sets. And the stamp set ones will come with, if there's a coordinating punch that I have, a coordinating framelit set, a coordinating embossing folder, whatever I have that coordinates with that, I will include in the box. So let me show you what these look like. These are two actual boxes that I will have for sale. So the accessories is the first one I'm going to show you, and it has all kinds of stuff in it. It is literally packed to the brim of this flat rate box. So here I've got some scraps of ribbon. They're like the leftover rolls of ribbon. Here I have a brand new package of these beautiful watercolor note cards. These were from a couple years ago. Oh, I have a brand new package of accents and elements. These are the felt flowers that we used to have a couple years ago. Here is a package of buttons. Some of the stuff is going to be brand new, like this roll of sequin trim. Some of it is going to be used, like this partial package of printed paper from a couple years back. This is the Eastern Elegance. Oh, that's funny because we kind of have that again. Anyway, but each box is going to be worth somewhere around $150. I would say like 130 to 150. Like, oh look, there's some mulberry paper with metallic flecks in it. Here's a package of little door hanger pouchy things. Here is a package of rub-ons. A bunch more DSP. There's several packages here that will come in this kit. Oh, some of them come with a free online class, and then all you have to do is email me. The little instructions are in here, and then I'll send you the instructions for that class. This is kind of a fun thing. These are some cards that little projects you can put together. Sorry about that. Here is an entire brand new card kit that makes a whole bunch of cards, and it comes with all kinds of cool stuff. There's also a spool of gold cord, a package of vellum envelopes, a package of buttons, and a thing of jingle bells. So that's all one kit. All of this stuff came in just one box. In fact, I'm gonna have to, I gotta repack it nice to get all this stuff back in there. So each kit is gonna be different. There could be some overlapping items in the kit, meaning like I probably have more than one package of these buttons, so this could be found in more than one box, but the entire contents of a kit are going to be completely different because I definitely don't have two of all of this stuff. So if you order more than one box, I will give you a discount, and that's kind of awesome. So you can see that the registration link below will show you all those details. Now I also have another type of box. This is going to be a box filled with stamp sets. Now, a couple things about this. There's going to be an assortment of rubber and wood, and there's no getting around that. There's also going to have in it, like I said, anything that coordinates. So if there's a punch, if there is a framelit set, if there is a die, if there is an embossing folder, whatever I have that coordinates, I've included it in here. Now, that doesn't mean that it's an absolute. So for instance, some sets have things that coordinate, some don't, and some things that set might coordinate with more than one. So it's not guaranteed that it'll be in there, but believe me when I tell you, you're getting a lot for your money. These boxes will, so the accessory boxes I showed you before are $40 plus shipping. These boxes are going to be $80 plus shipping. And these will have at least, bare minimum, $150 worth of stuff in them. At least. And like, well, bare minimum. Okay, so a lot of this stuff is new. A lot of it is used. It just kind of depends. So here's the stamps that are coming in this. So 2 new sets. Here's a used background. I loved this one. Oh my gosh. It's like a little trip down memory lane. Here's another stamp set. Oh, this was a good set. I actually, this is a new one. I had an extra of because I'm keeping my version of this one. Now, here is an embossing folder. Ooh, this was a great stamp set. Oh my gosh, I loved that set. In fact, I still have mine, original. Here is another stamp set. Now, check out all this. I've got the Kind and Cozy stamp set here. The Lighthearted stamp set. So there'll be a mix of clear and wood. If you would like only wood blocks, you can specify that. I'll have that in the registration. So here's another one, the Madison Avenue stamp set, the Banner Blessings stamp set. Oh, this was a good one. This was our 15th anniversary Best of Flowers stamp set. The Tape It stamp set. Falling for You. And actually there is, I believe, no, I don't know. There might be framelits with that one. I can't remember. And then Botanicals for You. Oh, this was a good set. I kept mine of my original of this version as well. Okay, now on top of all those stamp sets, I also have a set of 10 handmade cards that are going to go with it. And they are just an assortment of handmade cards that are going to come with your box. This is all stacked up so high I can't even talk anymore. So anyway, you can see there's a mix of new stuff, old stuff. There's nothing current in any of these boxes in either one. So be aware of that. It's all retired items. And also, if you order more than one of the boxes of more than one stamp set box, then you'll get a discount too. So you can do whatever you'd like. All those details are in this description below. They, if they sell out, the registration will close out, so it won't allow you to register if they are sold out. So I'll keep very good tabs on that. The registration will just automatically close off if they're not available anymore. So if you have any questions, please let me know. These are amazing deals, and I am so excited to offer you such great prices on all this stuff. And if you have any questions, like I said, let me know. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.